Installing the Mr. Goodbar Patio Door Lock. Before beginning installation, make sure you have the tools required to complete the installation, including a drill driver and a 1/8 inch drill bit, Robertson or square head screwdriver bits, number 2 and number 3, a pencil or marker, a tape measure, and a level. Robertson or square head screwdriver bits are used throughout the installation. Go ahead and open the Goodbar package. Remove the security lock from the packaging and using a pair of scissors, remove the protective plastic material off each end of the bar. On the end with the positioning channel and the mounting bracket, be sure to slide the positioning channel over and remove the hardware that is within the channel. Placing the hardware into a magnetic storage tray makes it convenient to find the parts that you need and not lose them. Fully extend the patio door bar and insert a carriage bolt into the threaded hole in the slot. The patio door bar must be placed between 40 and 52 inches or 102 to 132 centimeters above the floor. Using your tape measure, measure the appropriate spot to install your patio door bar. Position the patio door bar onto the door frame at the suggested minimum height, and using your pencil or marker, mark the position for screws. Using your 1/8 inch drill bit and your drill, pre-drill the holes as marked. Once you have finished pre-drilling your holes, use your number 3 Robertson bit and fasten the hinge with two 1 3/4 inch screws. Now insert the positioning channel into the mounting bracket and then using a level ensure that patio door bar is level and mark positions for screws in the mounting bracket. It's often helpful to have an extra pair of hands when you do this. Using extreme caution, pre-drill holes with the 1/8 inch drill bit. Fasten the bracket using the two 1/2 inch screws, ensuring that the screws do not touch the glass. With the patio door bar in the closed and fully extended position, drill the 1/2 inch self-tapping screws through the exposed positioning holes and into the positioning channel. This completes the basic installation of the Goodbar Patio Door Lock. Note that there are a couple of special features that are worthy of note. One is the limited bypass feature. To use this feature, just remove the carriage bolt that you just installed in the beginning and put that bolt in a safe place for later retrieval. By removing this bolt, it allows your patio sliding door to open 4 to 5 inches, just enough for pets to go in or out, or to allow some ventilation of the home without compromising your overall security status. Another special feature is the ability to add an auxiliary padlock. By doing so, you can make it very difficult for intruders to simply lift the bar out of the way. This is great for when you're leaving the house for an extended period. The Mr. Goodbar Patio Door Bar provides a secure, attractive, and flexible solution to the nettlesome problem of securing a patio door. Mr. Goodbar patio door models are available to fit 5-foot, 6-foot, and 8-foot patio doors, and are also available in black and silver as a special order. Congratulations, your patio door bar installation is completed.